Ben Deans here from Position Partners. Today we're unboxing the Topcon RL-H5B flat plane entry-level laser. Let's take a look inside the case. So in the Topcon RL-H5B we have obviously the unit itself. So the RL-H5B comes with a 400 metre working range, 200 metres from either direction from the laser head. It comes with 600 metres res per minute rotation speed, plus or minus 3 mil accuracy from the unit. So every 30 metres plus or minus 3 mil accuracy. Comes with Topcon's standard features of the hide alert function. So if it gets knocked on site, the unit will shut off and need to be restarted. Also comes with an IP66 weather rating, so you can afford any torrential downfall on site. 5-year Topcon warranty. So that's the RL-H5B. Here we have the Topcon standard rotating laser receiver, the LS80X. One button start. Also the Australian calibration certificate, highlighting that the unit has been seen by a professional in Australia, as well as the instruction manual for the unit itself and receiver. Also a site sticker for where required. There we have the Topcon RL-H5B. If you need further assistance with servicing and calibrations, have a look at topconlaser.com.au or scan the QR code for further details.